The top stories. Dishonest doctors at government hospitals referring patients to private clinics, alleges MLA KH Joy Kisan. Congress asked if Manipur jails have gallows hangman. And religious differences should be forgotten in learning languages, stresses Governor. Good evening and welcome to Times of Manipur. This is Suraj Tabam giving you the news. Now the news in detail. Manipur opposition MLA KH Joy Kisan today lashed out at the state government over a recent incident wherein a patient who was awaiting appendicitis surgery at Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JNIMS, was forced to refer to a private clinic as there were no sterilized clothes needed in the operation at the hospital. The Congress MLA drew the attention of the Health Minister over the incident while raising a call attention motion in the House. Joy Kisan described the incident very shameful. One RK Herozit, an appendicitis patient, had to leave JNIMS to undergo surgery at a private hospital after it was allegedly learned that no sterilized clothes were found. Besides, another patient is still awaiting operation at JNIMS. MLA Joy Kisan said patients at the hospital are feeling bad due to the development. He alleged that doctors at the government-run hospitals in the state often refer their patients to private clinics where they carry out operations to them. The Thangmeiban MLA apparently showed disposition to buy the sterilized clothes required by the hospital by sacrificing monthly salaries of all the house members. Responding to the call attention, Health Minister L. Jayantokumar said he was upset to learn such reported incidents happening at the government-run hospital. He said the JNIMS director has been asked to submit the report to the government. Jayantokumar also said appropriate action will be initiated against the concerned authority of the hospital if the reports come out to be true. But the health minister claimed that immediate information collected from JNIMS has revealed that altogether 15 patients underwent operations at different departments of the hospital yesterday. He referred to the case of RK Herozit and said that the patient needed immediate operation, which did not happen on time since there were a lot of patients on wait. Jayantokumar claimed that he was later discharged at 6:30 p.m. from the hospital after the patient parties wanted to shift him to a private clinic. He assured that the detailed report on the incident will be presented in the House through the Speaker. Congress MLA K. Ranjit today questioned the motive of the Manipur government over the reported cut in allowance given to police commando personnel of Manipur Police. He raised a cut motion in the House today when the Finance Minister presented different demands to get them passed. The cut motion was related with demand number 7, police, and demand number 32, jail. The Sugnu MLA noted that the army and paramilitary forces deployed in disturbed areas receive additional allowances to encourage them in their service. Ranjit highlighted on the need to introduce such facilities to the state police commandos. He then took a dig at the Home Department over allegedly failing to formulate a proper transfer and posting policy of the state security forces. Ranjit also claimed that the state police personnel are not equipped with modern weapons. Commenting on the present status of the jails in Manipur, the MLA inquired whether the Central Jail and Sajiwa Jail in the state have proper gallows for hanging criminals. He also asked the state government if there are hangmen in these prisons. Well, it's time now for a short break.
Every Tower, restaurant, cafe, banquet hall with live music brings you the best dining experience in town with the young, energetic and charming staff. Our specialities: Indian, Thai, Italian pasta, dumpling, dessert, burger.
We are open at 11 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Advanced booking for events, conferences and party. 50+ covers. Kindly contact us at 9612719966. Address Uri Pokhui Dromleka, UK Road, opposite Petrol Pump. Aris Tower since 2002.
Manipur Kundariba, Maitai Mitai Kagnatana, Ata Yellow Furpunamak, Scheduled Tribe list they are on the Lagli. Makoina Kundariba Mapam Singda, Scheduled Tribe Nataba, Mio Singna, Kundaba Natraka Port Lepa Yadi Ivagi, Akan Manga Law Constitution Piri.
Maitai Mitai Namna Kundariba, Tampaki Amba Sarukti, Sambal Kadaba Inkol Gumbani, Mitop Sina Kunda Silakpa, Lamgi Mapush Lakpamadi, MLA for Bosh Laglavani, Punama Sibuti Naba, quite in the note to pay Lambidi, Maitai Mitaina, Scheduled Tribe list the Yahoo Vibes. Hari war famous the Yumpamaraga, Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee, Nasif Obada, Konjan Gas and Chendrolag.
Bharat ki Ministry of Tribal Affairs na Manipur lengakta recommendation tharak naba khangla palaikre. High river recommendation adu thabiu high na taksil aduna. Hauki basahi 2016 gi September gi tang tarani panda miyam gi oiba asoba wakat khongchat ama mioi lak amaga makai he manasatki.
Manipur lengang ngasi phawda mitai fruki hingba changui matang da tumina leisili. Maram maduna amuk khana miyam gi achoba khongchat ama lakleba March ki tarik 3 nomajing numit ayuki pung tara taba matamda miyam punna thau ground thangbai bandagi horaga miyam gi achoba pen da bagi khongchat ama konung lampak phawa chatkadori aikhoi gi furuk ki tungi mirol gi damak adom su wakat khongchat asida sarug yabi.
Panthoibi embroidery da hauzik miyamna yamna pamna riba top, blouse, fanek, sengau, porloi amadi kangkhal na chingba, luhongbada changba khudingmak amadi nupi oibi singi akemaugi potlam khudingmak ahongba mamalda fangbiragani, loinana order su luxury. Lengsin birao ngasimak Panthoibi embroidery Sagolban Khamnam Bazar opposite Oriental College Imphal. Contact number 700-540-2267.
Welcome back after the break. Governor of Manipur Dr. Najma Heptullah today said that with the advancement of modern technologies, youngsters and adults have given up the habit of reading textbooks these days. She said this during a one-day interaction program on Urdu and Arabic languages organized by National Council for the Promotion of Urdu held at the Sangai Hall of Hotel Imphal. There are so many books to read and everyone must cultivate the habit of reading, giving aside the religious differences while learning a language, she added. Members of different NGOs and individuals from various educational institutions and madrasas attended the program. Dr. Nazma appreciated that the students are learning Urdu these days and stated that it is such a very beautiful language which was widely spoken during the time of Mughal Empire. The governor also said people of Manipur speak either Manipuri or English, even though there are people who know Urdu.
हमारी कोशिश होना चाहिए अगर हम उर्दू का फ़रोग़ चाहते हैं कि हम थोड़ा बाहर निकलें और कोशिश करें कि लोग उर्दू लिखना भी सीखें, सिर्फ पढ़ना बोलना नहीं। पढ़ तो आदमी अंग्रेजी में ही पढ़ सकता है उर्दू को, रोमन में लिख के। अगर हम उसकी बका चाहते हैं तो हमें लोगों को उसकी लिपि, उसकी तहरीर भी सिखाना बहुत ज़रूरी है। आप अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं कि आप उर्दू की किताबें शाये करवाते हैं। आजकल
Dr. Nazma also said that everyone must learn how to read and write Urdu language, apart from learning to speak it. She emphasized on the importance of understanding the beauty of the languages and promoting it.
खवास की ज़बान नहीं थी, लश्कर में पैदा हुई, लश्करी ज़बान थी। वो लोग उज़्बेक थे, ईरानी थे, टर्किश थे, हिंदुस्तानी थे, जो खड़ी बोली बोलते थे, वो लोग थे, तो क्या वापस हम उर्दू को उसका वो दर्जा दे सकते हैं? जब मैं समझूंगी कि जो सरकार आपको इतने पैसे देती है, HRD मिनिस्ट्री आपसे, आपके इदारे से जो उम्मीद रखती है, आप उस पैमाने पे सही तौर पर नाप पाएँ अपने आप को। खुद सोचिएगा, अपने आप इंसान अपने अमल को, अपने ईमान की तराजू को ले सकता है, किसी दूसरे से नपवाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती। यही चंद बातें मेरे दिमाग में थी और मैं खुल के बोलने वाले लोगों में से हूँ। मैं खाली जहाँ आपकी तारीफ़ कर रही हूँ आपके काम की, वहाँ थोड़े सवालात भी आपके सामने रख रही हूँ, थोड़े चैलेंजेस भी आपके सामने रख रही हूँ। उम्मीद है कि आप ये चैलेंज अकील साहब और आपके साथी इस चीज़ को, चैलेंज को कबूल करेंगे और कोशिश करेंगे कि उर्दू एक महदूद दायरे से निकल के बाहर आए, आज़ाद हो जाए।
Advanced Level State Biotech Hub, Department of Biochemistry and Department of Library Information Science, Manipur University, MU, jointly organized the celebration of National Science Day 2019 on February 28, 2019 at Conference Hall of the Library, Manipur University, with the theme Science for the People and the People for Science. The celebration function was graced by Jarnal Singh, Administrator Vice Chancellor, Manipur University, Professor T.H. Madhuri Devi, Librarian in charge, MU, Professor G.A. Santibala Devi, Dean, School of Life Sciences, MU, Professor S. Dorendrajit Singh, Department of Physics, MU, and Dilip Mayengbam, Director, AIR, Imphal, as Chief Guest, President and Guest of Honor, respectively. Professor Debananda S. Ningthausam gave the welcome address. Professor R.K. Gambhir Singh and Professor C.H. Yaswanta Singh gave the invitee speech. National Science Day is celebrated across India on every February 28 since 1987. Indian scientific community has celebrated the National Science Day as a remembrance of C.V. Raman's contribution to science. Notably, the famous Indian scientist Sir C.V. Raman discovered the Raman effect on 28 February 1928. Sir C.V. Raman was awarded the Nobel Prize in 1930 for his discovery. The Scheduled Tribe Demand Committee of Manipur STDM today appealed to all to observe a one-day stay away from work to take part in the Miyamgi Wakat Khongchat, a people's protest rally to be held on March 3 to push for the demand for inclusion of Meitei Mitei in the Scheduled Tribe list of the Indian Constitution. A statement of the committee appealed to all communities not to call ban, blockade and channel strike, and also not to cause any kind of disruption to the proposed rally on this day. It also appealed to the Manipur government not to conduct any kind of interview examination on the rally day. STDM further appealed to all walks of life to participate in the protest rally to demand constitutional safeguard to the indigenous people of the state. The proposed 24-hour total shutdown called by People Action Committee PAC beginning February 28 midnight over the death of Pravesh Chandam has been withdrawn. At a press meet held today at the Nushikol Park Memorial Complex adjacent to Cherab Court, convener of PAC Laimayum Pisu said that in view of the ongoing Manipur board examination, the total shutdown call has been withdrawn by the JSA. He added that the committee appreciated the Chief Minister for making a reference to the case of Pravesh Chandam in the Assembly yesterday.
Haiba case asi missing report laina police na photo PP na missing report laina piri ba police station aduna poloi thok piramaga kamai na aduda hanjalaga mu case asi pahen bada mu case kamai mai pa ka dunu sine koina hajiba People Action Committee side tagi aduna case asi CBI da sinadri ba koi hanbalai roi khongjadam changchangani athuba matamda government na amadi UP sarkar na case asi CBI da sinaba hina taksan gidawni lona India ki Home Minister Rajnath ima taruk na Delhi da satuna unaru matungda haiba asi CBI da sinanaba haina igani haina lehorabni adui matungda magi parents adagi parentsing amadi chinoksing yauna mu Home Minister India ki Home Minister Rajnath si unari adusu ini hai hajipok da ide asibagi case asi chenari be miosing si athu matamda phabiduna ima masung Manipur da lebok na singam yam torka koi khongsi sanction mani khongsanga si CBI da sinati babu de koi hanbalai jaro haina koi maikadi thamjari.
At the press meet, Vice President of Apunba Manipur Kanba Imalup Amkil Laurengbam Nganbi said that it is really disappointing that people from Northeast India are mistreated by people living in mainland India. She further said demonstration will continue to stop the people in mainland India from indulging in such brutal crimes in future. It is necessary to show the government of India and mainland people that mistreatment to people from the Northeast states are not acceptable.
Manipur amadi Manipur North East ki oiba mioi singsi mainland Indiana tumit kang dongnu urakpa aduga hading ba matam da hat ba aduga manghaning ba matam da manghan ba organ yuning ba matam da yon ba apspa dagi hena sathi ba ama Manipur gi amadi North East ki mioi singda mainland Indiana tawrak si aikhoi sugya ya ba ngamde aikhoi na yamna sauning ba adagi khang ba ngangak ta ba khoi gi government jina haining ba da hai ba aduga haidu kiba wahi dugi di karigumbim ta ngaglak taba ngangning mangang kanda layrak pa siya masigi sauning ngakpa may duna ay koy na total shutdown ay na lauthoki aduna mayam sida ay na thamjaningi bawa phamdi parikyagi yengaga ay koy banna si hayeng ngasi kawgadori ba banna si ngasi gi damakta di komthok jari hay bawa phamduni ay na thamjaningi ba.
Members of Manipur Electricity Employees Union of Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited MSPDCL today held a sit-in demonstration in front of Kawa Police Station in Imphal West, demanding that priority be given to daily wages and outsourced staff numbering about 300 in the recruitment of new staff of the company. Naurem Baleshwar, an outsourced staff member, said it is disheartening to learn that of MSPDCL officials are asking the well-experienced outsourced staff members to leave their jobs, telling that they have recruited new staff. He demanded that the Manipur government take notice of their plight and put it up in the ongoing assembly session for discussion. Baleswar pledged to carry out further agitation until a demand of the union is fulfilled.
Matam sang na khoi outsourced daily wages oina thame hojini khang khangok press recommend logani na khangok dana haitarena misa tuka kanu sam khara logani na koi post vacancy thok tana ji recommend tauna ba process tawri ba ko masidi da koi na hainingi bidi hana lisang sin wajara ga ba matam sang na warak la ba experience le la ba mana pai di ba magi simbam si da hi thoi sing ba koi adu misang atene ba koi singje masidi da koi khara makai khudong sa ba first priority pb raga lairiba sinmi singje saigi wajarak la ba singje mafam chaba mamam phida mam phangan bi haiba dune ba adu dina tabida press marakta koi jo recommend process taholaga yahun basidi akoi kitang nungai jada ba akoi gi ba tongam ba tpc ma phambi raga han na degi hon la jarak la ba wajarak la ba singji gi khudong sa ba khara pb haiba sine ba koi na thamjani ngi.
Let's take a short break once again.
lamjingba group na Manipur da lairiba assembly constituency humpu dagi mathau da pukning changba public relationship executive post ki mioi amamam lagzagadori mahigi thak yamdrabada graduation oigedabani akupa marol gidama contact tobiro at 131944063 amukasu at 131944063 aikoi gi address lamjingba group Rims Road Imphal phone number at 131944063.
Manipur gi ahan ba 24/7 cab service oriba lamjingba cab service na miyam gi seba da leizari apamba service khanbiu economy rate ₹15 per kilometer, standard rate ₹25 per kilometer, luxury rate ₹55 per kilometer. Manipur gi district singi maruaina Mau, Senapati, Ukhrul, Manipur gi mapal gi lamsing loinana luhongba madi atai thodok singi damakta akhanaba discount pizari hena kupamarol gi dama contact tobiro 1800 1027-959 amadi 8794613154. Ekhogi website www.lamjingbacap.com.
Furniture industry da chahi tara manga hen experience leiraba mobile furniture ngasi Manipur da chahi mari mapung fana retail stores ani na miyam gi seva pijari. Miyam service vertical sing asigi khudong cha lobi. Nasimug Lengchin Biroxi, Mobile Furniture, Coapitel near Imphal Quarters. The Great Wedding Sale by Mobile Furniture.
Welcome back. The United States of America, the United Kingdom and France have moved a fresh proposal in the United Nations Security Council to designate Jaish-e-Mohammed (JEM) chief Masood Azhar as a global terrorist. Multiple countries, including Japan, Canada and Australia, have called for India and Pakistan to de-escalate tensions. Meanwhile, Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan said during a joint session of Parliament today evening that Wing Commander Abhinandan Vardhaman will be released tomorrow as a peace gesture. Pakistan Prime Minister Imran Khan also cautions that this situation should not get out of hand, otherwise Pakistan will have to retaliate. The Prime Minister also said that war is not a solution and if India takes any action, Pakistan will have to retaliate. It is yet not clear if Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi will attend a meeting of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation (OIC) after he threatened to boycott the meet over an invitation to External Affairs Minister Sushma Swaraj. His statement came amid the heightened tensions between India and Pakistan after the former claimed to have struck terror launch pads in Balakot. Meanwhile, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is scheduled to chair a meeting of the Cabinet meeting on security (CCS) today, followed by Union Cabinet meeting at his residence. The meeting comes a day after an Indian Air Force pilot was captured by Pakistan after air combat, during which the two sides said they shot down its other's warplanes. The Centre has issued a maximum alert to the personnel of Border Security Force (BSF) guarding the Indo-Bangladesh international border in the wake of escalating tension with Pakistan. Stringent measures are taken to ensure that no troublemonger or terror element can come across over Bangladesh to fuel more tension in the country. India shares a long stretch of international border with Bangladesh, stretching from states like West Bengal to northeastern states of Assam, Meghalaya, Mizoram and Tripura, while most of the portions are still unfenced. 6 survivors in the Assam Huj tragedy were left permanently blind, while 34 others partially blind. The affected are undergoing treatment at Jorhat Medical College and Hospital. There is, however, no such case at the Golaghat Civil Hospital, as it refers to all the critical cases to JMCH. The Huj tragedy, which hit Halmira Tea Estate in Golaghat district on February 21st and Borhola Tea Estate in neighboring Jorhat district. The day has claimed 157 lives, but the situation was gradually improving. Doctors at JMCH said the survivors, whose eyesight has been affected, will be under observation of experts for a week to 10 days to see if there was any revival. Now let's have the top stories of today's newspaper headlines.
The Shanghai Express, government urges centre to implement NRC in Manipur. Chief Minister launches law bike service. Litigations hampered PMGSY works Bishwajit. Imphal Free Press, government will take time to fulfill grievances in education sector, Education Minister. State government urging centre to implement NRC in State Chief Minister Biren. SDF extends support to demands of STDCM. States to launch mini city bus service to avoid traffic congestion. The Morning Bell, 79 illegal Rohingya migrants arrested so far, says Chief Minister Biren. Government urges centre to implement NRC in the state. Pakistan shoots down Indian jets, carries out airstrikes in Kashmir. 47th All Manipur Shumang Lila Festival, 2018-19 inaugurated. Shumang Lila catalyst for peace and harmony in society, Governor. Chief Minister launches law bike services for the first time in state. The People's Chronicle, over 5,000 posts of teacher lying vacant, Radhesham. India demands immediate safe return of pilot in Pakistan custody. School admission issues brought up in House. SDF to contest Lok Sabha election. Manipur Mail, 8 parties decide to fill common candidates in LS poll. Chief Minister launches law bike services in the state. NRC mooted to stop illegal influx, Chief Minister.
Before we wind up, let's have a quick look at the top stories once again. Dishonest doctors at government hospitals referring patients to private clinics, alleges MLA KH Joy Kisan. Congress asked if Manipur jails have gallows hangman. And religious differences should be forgotten in learning languages, stresses Governor. Well, that's all for now. Keep watching Times of Manipur.